What is up, guys? Welcome to another YouTube video. It's been a really long time since I don't do one of those videos, but I made a lot of progress in my trading. I got like $1,000 weeks, and but trading is a ability, and you always gonna push to improve yourself and improve your methods and improve your way to reading charts. So I'm gonna probably like start doing these videos again so I can track my progress. I can say what I was thinking and I can see what I was doing right, what I was doing wrong. And so today I got in the markets with a really good um, feel that it was going to be a bullish day, and because of this right here, right? Because of this right here, because of this right here, you see that we got this pin bar right here. Prices start to push up on the weekly time frame very aggressively, and honestly, like it was a no-brainer actually. I don't trade I don't trade the weekly time frame. I don't trade the daily time frame. I don't trade the 4 hour time frame. I trade zones, and my main time frame is the 50-minute time frames. It's the 50-minute time frame, but I do like to know what is happening on the other time frames to get a feel of what can happen, of what scenarios can I expect for the day. So I was looking to be bullish, right? I was looking to be mainly bullish. Of course, you have to be flexible. So if the price showed me a really good bearish scenario, a really good bearish setup, I'll take it. But I was mainly bullish on the day, right? And on the 50-minute time frame, it, not I traded Nasdaq, right? I traded Nasdaq. On Nasdaq, I had those zones marked out. This one right here, this one right here, this one right here, and you can see it was because of this, and the other zone was this right here, and the other zone was this right here, right? And I was looking to basically like I could make a sell from here, but consider I don't was considering it a good idea to make a sell from here, and I was mainly looking like to buy from here, buy from here, or to buy from here, to buy from here, or to buy from here after a break, right? Uh, on the S&P, I was looking basically for the same thing. I was looking to buy from this zone right here. I was looking to buy from this zone right here. But you see that this arrow is red, right? This arrow is red because buying from this area, in my opinion, is not like a really good trade. And I'm gonna tell you why. It's because like on the 4 hour time frame, we had this little candle right here, push up. This little candle right here, push up, right? So we had this candle right here, right? We had this candle right here. And what I was expecting, according to what price was doing, was for it to keep pushing up, right? And if price got back to this level right here, it would be like it would be really probable that price was probably gonna start to do a fucking retraction on the hourly or the 4 hour time frame, right? So, but I was not like completely off the idea of buying right here. I just knew that it wasn't the very best trade that I could possibly have, right? So I was looking to buy right here from the zone, and or sell from this zone right here as well. US 30, I was looking to buy from this zone right here, right? And I was looking to buy from this zone right here, and you can see that this arrow right here is red, so it's because it was the same scenario as S&P, and I was looking to sell from here as well. On the beginning of the market, on the opening of the market, I saw I tried to catch a buy on US 30, but this move, but he came right here in my zone, right? This is a zone, right, guys? Don't confuse this to be just a specific price. To me, this is a zone. It's like right here, you know what I mean? But I just put like a line to so I can have my charts clean. You have to maintain your charts clean, right? And I saw price going in my zone and pushing back up, and I was willing to make a buy right here, but bro, it was so fast I couldn't put my buy stop right here, and price just gone up, right? I just missed the trade. It is normal. And once I saw this, once I saw um US 30 push up, and I was seeing like S&P pushing up too, right here is the 915 candle, right here is the opening. So S&P was pushing up very well too, and I was like, bro, all of these instruments are pushing up. Nasdaq is probably gonna push up too for a break of this resistance right here, right? And I was waiting for, let me see, I was it was like mainly right here, I think, after this candle right here, uh this huge wick to the downside, which means that buyers are in the Nasdaq are willing to push it higher. And when I see this huge wick to the downside that is right here, the push up again, we have those rejections, right? We have those rejections right here, and this candle, I'm breaking it. I was like, yeah, we definitely gonna go up on Nasdaq. So I took a buy. I took a buy around uh I don't know. I think it was right here. I think it was right here. And I got out for 25 points, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, it was a good buy. All of other scenarios that was in my mind, they you know played pretty well. You can see that in the S&Ps, you can see that price touched my zone and create a beautiful pin bar candle. So if I had taken this trade, it would be an amazing W. And on US 30, price touched my zone and gave me a really solid setup as well. But this one, I wasn't fast enough to caught it, to catch it, right? And I started a a small account yesterday, today actually, and I am up about $5 in profit. I am gonna to risk about 10% of the account in each trade. Is an amount that I am comfortable with, but I am starting slow. I'm not trying to push it too much. I'm not trying to be so aggressive with it, because especially because ultimately I have been have I had some problems with overconfidence, because I am doing very well. I took an account of $20 to $1,000, and this like mess with your confidence. You start to think that every trade that you take is going to be a W. Every trade that you take is going to be a win, you're gonna to make money, you're the guy, and you know how the markets work, you know how to read price action and shit like that, and then you fuck yourself up because of that overconfidence. So I'm trying to be slow, I'm trying to be, you know, just chill, just be disciplined, get my trades, and get off the charts. So that's basically it. I'm gonna show you guys something. Give me a minute. So that's my journal. I'm gonna be journaling each and every single trade that I take for learning purpose, and to improve myself, and to learn myself more, and to see what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. And this was the result of today. I did two trades. One was a a break-even trade, and the other one was a good trade in my opinion. So that's it, guys. It was basically it for today. Let's see. Not let's see how we're gonna go on the next few weeks, but I think when money is just a result in trading, right? Money is just like a byproduct of the game. And when you focus on just playing the game well, you don't have to think about money. And I do believe that the less you think about money, the more you're gonna do well in your trading. So I'm just gonna hop on the charts tomorrow and do my thing, do what I know how to do, and yeah, that's basically it. Bye, guys. Have a great Wednesday.